Hi YouTube, and I'm just going to make lots of LPS accessories for him, and he's just our model, so we'll just set him to the side. Set that to the side. Oh, set that to the other side. And
today
I found pom-poms, and they're really squishy, but they do not break. And we got some foil to make our stuff, and now I'm going to open this, and it's ripped. And I'll set the trash to the side and get your color. And I pick green.
You gotta show the different sizes.
Okay, so these look blue, but they're like green. But these are blue. I'm gonna use the medium blue and medium green. These are the sizes.
You got some little sizes in it.
Yeah. I got big blues. These are all the sizes it has. These are all the sizes it has. I'll put these two in the front. Medium. They're a way to show them. And then I got yellow ones. And I got pink. And my grandma's here. Yay!
Hey!
We got red. Oh, we got white. Oh.
Okay.
Why am I putting little ones in the back?
Okay.
Little ones need to be showing. So this is the pom-pom family. Hey, don't forget about me. Oh, we have a garden. And you could make people out of this. I'm going to make Elmo. That would be so fun. Okay, we'll set these to the side to make Elmo in a party search. And now, put your color in front and your size. Take your glue. This is school glue, foil, pom-poms, and these are what you're needing. And then take your glue and foil, and then where the inner is, squirt some of your glue right there. Let's see, just like this. And then take one of your pom-poms and stick it on, just like that. And then close up, bend it a little, and then with your other one, do the same thing until you have 2 yellow pom-poms. Kind of look like ears. And then let's model it. They fit.
Oh.
And they don't. They don't fit. Ah! Squeeze, glue, squeeze. Squeeze, glue, squeeze. Okay, now more glue. Ah! You squirt them. Now you should have something that looks like that. Other side. These are her beautiful nails. There you go. Oh,
It's
man.
not working.
Oh, man.
Stop it.
This is crazy.